Hey y'all, welcome to my local flavor kitchen right here in beautiful Branson, Missouri. Today I have my hunk of burning love.
Hello.
And he is going to help me make something that will take you back to your childhood.
Time machine. We're building a time machine.
I know, right?
Pretty much.
It will take you back.
Remember this?
Tang. I loved Tang. Did you love Tang?
I did.
I loved it. I mean, I would just eat it
We
right.
were more of a Kool-Aid household.
Oh, really? Okay. Yeah.
Tax time and,
yeah.
Got a little extra money.
Right. Then we got
If I
the
picked
Tang.
up enough pop bottles, we got Tang, but...
I love Tang. I used to just eat it with a spoon.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh, I love it. Yeah, love it. So that's why you're going to love this. If you love Tang, you're going to love this recipe.
I bet it was better then than it was now. Do you still drink it?
Occasionally, if I'm going down the aisle in the grocery store and I see it, I'm like, that sounds good.
We did the Nestle chocolate milk powder, though.
Yeah, I love that too.
One time we got a deal at Sam's, and it lasted us like 7 years.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're going to make Tang Pie.
That sounds like a summertime
Does sound good.
treat.
Yeah, it does. It sounds just like
And
a
next
summertime
week we're going to make an Ovaltine pie.
No, we're not.
You ever drink that?
No.
Was on that show?
No,
that,
I never drank
Christmas
Ovaltine.
Story or something?
I never drank Ovaltine. No.
No, I never had. It looks terrible.
Anyway, we're going to make a Tang Pie. So easy, so fast, and so easy. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is have 8 ounces of cream cheese, and this is already softened, and we're going to use that mixer right there. So if you'll put your little mixer together.
Is this a Pampered Chef?
No, that is not.
Yeah, this is not streamlined enough to be Pampered Chef.
These are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese. You're going to need 1 can of Eagle brand milk. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in here with this. Wait a minute.
I said mix it up.
No, I didn't. I said get the mixer.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm going to use my new, this is my new spatula. I got a handful of these from my friends, Dean and Laura, who live here now. They're Bransonites now from Illinois. So they've been coming to see us for a couple of years now. They always come and eat here, and we became friends with them. And so she brought me some of these the other day, these little cute spatulas.
But they get sprinkles in them.
They do look like they have sprinkles. He thought there was something on it.
Yeah.
But it has little flecks
like
of color
recycled
in there. So anyway, there we go. I'm going to put this right in our bowl here.
That makes everything better.
It does. This is going to be so good.
When you're mixing cream cheese and
Condensed milk.
Yeah. You know it's going to be,
and now marshmallow cream. So I'm going to use half of this jar. I've already used another half of it to make another pie. And so we're going to do the other half. So just a half a jar of marshmallow cream.
And then Cool Whip.
But we're not going to put that in yet.
No, get that away from me. Sorry.
We are
I don't know why that's here.
It's going in, just not yet.
Get back here with that.
Okay, yes, okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's very good.
Not following the script.
All right, so now you're going to do 3/4 cups of Tang. All right, now you can get after it. Get after it. Oh, let me get this out of here. I'm also going to use this already made graham cracker crust. If you want to make your own graham cracker crust, so easy. All you do is crush up your graham crackers, put a little brown sugar and a little butter in there, and a little vanilla, and make your own. But today we're going the easy route. So I got the Keebler Elves made this for me.
They're the best.
They are. Keebler Elves are the best. All right, you got that mixed up really good? Let me get another one. I'm going to make me a little bit of Tang.
Well, you have the proper Tang glass.
I do. This little orange glass. I love these little glasses. Look at that cute little orange glass. Where did I get these at?
Well, that store's not here, but the antique store down there, Caldwell's.
Oh gosh!
That was at the end of
I had
town.
to have these. Yeah.
Now it's like
they're not
full
here
throttle.
anymore. Yeah. Now it's full throttle restaurant and bar and brewery. But anyway, I got those at that store. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, that's good. Oh my gosh! All of a sudden, I just thought, did I do my homework last night? And who's going to take me to prom?
And I don't have to pay taxes.
Right.
And my back doesn't hurt.
Right. Oh yeah, all the things.
My favorite childhood memory, my back not hurting.
Right. Okay, so once you get all this mixed up, you're going to add a whole container of Cool Whip.
Cool Whip.
Yes. All right.
Am I going to mix that in with
Yes.
this mixer?
Just mix it with your spoon there. And by the way, thanks Dean and Laura for my new spatula.
This thing's nice. It's
I
like
know, I love it.
ergonomically.
Yeah, I love it. Love it, love it. She gave me a whole bunch of them. All right. Once we get this mixed up, we're going to put it right here in our pie crust and pop it into the fridge.
No bacon, just chilling, right?
Right.
It's quality Tang stuff.
I know, right?
Made out of powdered oranges. I bought some Sunny D here a while back,
That's good.
but it was bomb pop flavored, the red one. It was terrible. I was like, hey, I wonder why this is on sale. So I bought 3. I probably still have 2.5 of them.
When it's on sale, what did I buy the other day that I said, no wonder these were on sale? What was that? Because they were crap. Whatever it was crappy. All right, we're going to pop this in our little pie crust here. Look how dreamy that looks. So dreamy.
Dreamy?
Doesn't it look dreamy?
I don't know what that means. Like dreamy when you're dreaming?
Dreamy means, oh my gosh, that's good. Dreamy means, like, isn't he dreamy, you know?
Yeah, so that's why I would not know what that means, so.
All right, now look at that. Oh gosh, now we're going into the fridge. All right, so since I already made one, we magically have one really quick here. All right.
I'm excited.
All right, here we go. I think this is going to be great. I bet you, Tom, you're going to make this. I know you are. I know you are. All right.
I'll try the Tang first. Oh, it needs to be a little colder, but that's good.
Yeah, it's not as cold. Okay.
Yeah.
Look at this. Oh my goodness.
You know what
Look
that tastes
at
like? Riding my bicycle and watching Dukes of Hazzard.
Right? Okay, there's a little bit of whipped cream in the door. Get that.
Oh,
for
that's
me.
a nice thing. That's good.
My gosh. Oh, brother. Okay. There we go. Oh, my goodness.
Enough?
Look at that. Oh,
Ready, whip.
look how good that looks. Cheers. Yeah.
Oh, that is good.
Oh, yeah. You guys got to make this. Isn't that good?
She'll put it on the menu. Ask for it next week.
Oh, no. It's not on the menu. It's not on the menu, but it's so good. Isn't it good? Oh, my gosh. It tastes like an orange push-up,
Yeah.
doesn't it?
That is good. Yeah, except it's better because you're not eating out of toilet paper, dude. That's what that is.
It's so good.
You didn't know that's what that is?
An orange pop
The
push-up.
little push-ups?
Yeah.
It's like a toilet paper tube?
It does look like a
Yeah,
toilet.
it is.
Anyway, it tastes like an orange push-up.
Recycled.
Tastes like a dreamsicle. It tastes like if you love orange, you're going to love this.
Oh,
It is
sure.
so good. So go make this. You're going to love it.
And you gotta get it cold out of the fridge.
Yeah.
That, for a minute, it's not 90 degrees outside.
So good. Y'all go make this and come and see us right here at Local Flavor in Branson, Missouri. And we'll see you next time. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks. Mwah.
That is good.